Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that we report in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord, where we're giving free daily signals there. And by the way, it's only for a certain number. After that, everyone he need to join us, he need to be pay money. So make sure to join us now very quickly. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today what the market done here, and us in our Telegram and in our Discord, we killing it there. We make very nice profit. Me personally, I make plus 129% of my account just from here to down here. Even you can benefit from all those signals free. You don't need to pay nothing. Just join us. The link of our Telegram or Discord is down in the description of that video. And by the way, they are limited for a certain number of people, so act very quick. Now here, what we had told you yesterday here, at that level here, what we had told you, we zoom it like that and we do like that, and we came down to that inside bar, as we still waiting it to get broke. That one here, as you see, it doesn't get broke up, it doesn't get broke down. So till now the market is still sideways here. Now we go into 25 days, also we are here in that level here. There is nothing new, and also we waiting the weekly candle. That's what me I told you, be focused about the weekly candle, what is going to tell us. So till now there is nothing here in the daily. In the daily we need to wait in a little bit. Another thing very important here, if it's break down here, that level here is going to go to touch here that 100 moving average here, and also we're going to buy some Bitcoin from down here from that level, guys. Remember that when it touching here, we're going to buy some Bitcoin. Everything is too clear, guys. So here in the daily, what shall you do? Nothing. There is nothing yet, nothing confirmed, because we haven't broken above here that flag here, because if you see it from down here to up here, we got a flag here. We couldn't break it above here, so everything's still normal. If it's breaking down, also we're going to enter with it short, and we're going to see if it's going to catch here in the 100 moving average, or it's going to fall down to touch the 200 moving average. But everything's still looking the same, and that level here of 31k, it's still very stronger level. We couldn't break it till now, so there is nothing yet. Another thing, let me show it to you, because today is Friday, or Friday candle is closed. Let me show it to you. You remember last week where we making the options, we make the for the calls, we make it here at 35k, and down here for the pots at 28k. And as you see it, the Bitcoin is staying here. So people, they enter for the options here and here, all of them they collecting premium till now, and no one of them is losing at this time. So everything of them, it's still looking great. Now let's go in for that week to see where is the Bitcoin is going to go. So let's go in there for that week, guys. As you see, that's the page web we using. Here we are in the money. Now we're going to search for the pots first. Here, no. As you see, the first level we found it here, which is here at 27k. As you see, the pots here 260 Bitcoin. The calls is 0. So that the first level of us here is at 27k, guys. Now let's search for the calls. Where is it? For the calls, guys, as you see, that one here is at 34k. The pots here is 0, and the calls is 415 Bitcoin. So now we got 2 levels. Now let's going back to the chart to draw them together. So let's go in there. Here we are in the chart. We set the first level here, which is at 34k like that. And down here we set 27k. As you see it, guys. So option people, they thinking the Bitcoin is going to fall down that week, but not that much. As I told you, me maybe just to here to 28k, 28k to 27k. So for them, if it fall down here, they are going to buy. But here they haven't make it too high. they lower it because last week it used to be 35. Now it fell down to 34k. So that's the view of them, and that's normal because all indicators now they showing you are in the overbought area, and that level it's showing is a very stronger level, and there is no power to break it up. So everything's still looking great till now. Yes, also yesterday after that XRP news, we thinking it's going to jump, but it's look like there is another correction to that level. Then after that, it's going to go up. So I think everything is too clear, guys. Here now, let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Here, you remember what me I told you yesterday. We used to have here that channel like that exactly, guys. I told you it's been broken here in that level here. And what me I told you, don't enter long. Me I'm talking here about swing traders. That's what me I told you. When it's breaking here, I told you yes, it's breaking up, but don't enter long, guys. You need to wait in because we got a very clear divergence in our indicator. You can find all that in the last video. The Bitcoin it used to be here at that level here, and me I told you don't enter long because we got a very clear divergence in our indicator. Yes or no? Now here, should we enter long, should we enter short? Now at this time, till that time where we register in that video now, there is no entry long, no entry short. And by the way, from now to up, for swing trading and for long term, we are not going to give signals in our Telegram or Discord. We're going to give them here in YouTube. So if you are a long-term investor or a swing trader, you're going to find signals here. Now, if it's getting broke down here, we need to enter short, guys. You can take profit here or down here. Remember that. Take profit of you, it needs to be here. That the first and second one is down here. You see it or no? There are 2 levels. Go to the broker. I don't want to say the numbers because if you're using brokers, different price, different brokers. Every broker got his own price. Me, I'm analyzing for you in the Bitcoin index, but every broker he got his own price. So you look at the 2 peaks, the one here and the lower here. But if it's breaking down here, everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator. Was it saying here? Our indicator that the divergence may have been talking about yesterday. You remember to show it to you in yesterday's video. You can go back and watch it. As you see it from there, it fell down very sharp. Now here it's showing to us it enter here to the place where is the bears they controlling. Very clear bear market now. But you got here now a hidden divergence, guys. Here from that peak here and that one here, you got a hidden divergence. Should you enter long? No, a hidden divergence is a continuation pattern. That meant the Bitcoin is going to fall down more. And me I tell it to you, I told you it's going to fall down to touch here the oversold area. So that push up here, they push it just to hit and stop loss, guys. Now also we are going to wait till that channel to be broke. When it's getting broke, we will enter short, guys, and we're going to benefiting from all that. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator. What it's saying? That one here, same thing. I show you got here a divergence here, like that very clear divergence here. But till now there is no clear entry for us to enter short. For us to enter short, it needs the market to break for us that channel here. That one here, it needs to be broken down here for us to enter short, guys. If it doesn't get in broke, there is no entry short. So us we still waiting till the right time. If there is nothing, there is no entry short, guys. Everything is too clear. So now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. You just smash the like button. You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, guys, in the last video, even in the thumbnail I show you here, we got a very clear double top here, and I told you the neckline is it down here. That candle here, which is breaking the neckline, that one here. Yes or no? And here, I used to have here triangle like that. Exactly like that. That candle here, it's breaking. Also, we enter short. The 4 take profit, it's bringing for us that lower of that candle here. I make very nice profit from here till down here. Me personally, I make plus 129% profit in my account. Now here, what should we do here at that level here? Because now the market he tried to give you here like a small flag here, like that. That's the first scenario. If it fall down and breaking the lower here, you can enter short. Another scenario, it might the market to give you here a double bottom, guys, here at that level here. So even that one you need to be focused about it. Another thing here, very, very, very important. Let me show it to you. If you came here to that one here and you do it like that, and you came to that one here and you do it like that, what you got? Triangle, guys. Very clear triangle. If the market go up and breaking above here, you can enter long. If the market came and breaking lower here, you can enter short, because if it's breaking down here, it's going to break even in the 4 hours that channel was showing to you. And when it's breaking here, you're going to see a very, very huge falling down in the Bitcoin. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us as we enter here to the oversold area. So technically we need to looking for buying. Did we got any price action here? No, we don't got nothing. We need to wait until the right time, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.